This is what you do when you're scrapping. You cut off your solder joints. They don't want that. So this is number 2. This is number 2 copper. When you cut off the ends, it's number 1. It's not always going to be number 1 in every marketplace. For here, number 1 is copper tubing without any solder joints or any tape or plastic. Okay, again, that's the aluminum at the other end. They're moving it around. So all of this has a different value. It's significantly less than the clean copper. Somebody has to do the labor. That's the way it works. It's a lot of stuff, man. It's a lot of weight. That's probably 500 pounds. Heads up, guys. Pardon me. If you have this little bit, they could just square the whole load and give you a lot less money and not say anything to you about it. It's wrong what they do. Yeah. So we have all that he did it right and one piece he did wrong, and they would mark the whole load down that way, or at least historically they have.